Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss very important MCQs of vectors of previous papers. So let's begin. First question is, if modulus of A vector is 2 and modulus of B vector is 7 and dot product of AB vectors is equal to 7, then angle between A and B equals. Now because A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, that is cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector is equal to 7 divided by magnitude of A, that is 2, magnitude of B is 7, 7 cancelled. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 for pi by 3. So answer is B option. Next question. If A vector is any vector, then A vector cross A vector is, because A cross A is equal to A vector magnitude and sine of 0, and sine 0 is equal to 0, so it is equal to 0 vector. Next question, if A is any vector, then dot product of two vectors is equal to, because dot product is equal to magnitude of A and magnitude of A, cos of 0, and cos of 0 is equal to 1, so it is equal to this. So answer is C option. Next question, if dot product of A and A is equal to 0, then A is. Now because if dot product is 0, that is this is 0, that is vector A modulus is 0, so this is null vector, C option. Next question, the moment about 1 minus 1 of the force 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap acting at 1 0 minus 2 is equal to. Now moment about point is equal to AB cross F. Now AB is equal to, this is point A and this is B. Now position vector of AB is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 minus 1 plus j cap, then minus 2 plus 1, that is minus k cap. Now moment is equal to AB cross F, F is equal to this. Now cross product of AB and F is equal to I, J, K, and AB 0, 1 and minus 1, 3, 4 and minus 5. Now simplify this. I minus 5 and plus 4 minus J zero minus 3, then plus K 0 minus 3. Now simplify this. I cap plus 3j cap minus 3k cap. Now take magnitude of this vector, that is 1 square plus 3 square, again minus 3 square, that is 1 plus 3 square means 9, then minus 3 square 9, 9 plus 9 plus 1, that is under root 19. So answer is under root 19, B option. Next question, if modulus of A dot B vector is equal to modulus of A vector cross B vector, then angle between A vector and B vector is. Now A dot B is equal to AB cos theta and A cross B is equal to AB sin theta, that is sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 1. Sin by cos means tan. Tan theta is equal to 1, that is theta is equal to pi by 4. Next question, if under root 3 dot product of A and B is equal to cross product of A and B, then angle between A and B is. Under root 3 A dot B is AB cos theta is equal to AB sin theta. AB cancelled. Sin by cos means tan theta is equal to under root 3. Now tan theta is under root 3 for pi by 3. So answer is A option. Next question. AB cos theta is equal to under root 3 AB sin theta. AB cancelled. Sin by cos means tan theta is equal to 1 by under root 3. Now tan theta is 1 by under root 3 for pi by 6 value. So answer is D option. Next question. If I, J and K are three mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then K vector cross I vector is equal to I, J and K. I cross J is equal to K, J cross K is equal to I, and I cross J is equal to K. Now K cross I is equal to J. If A vector is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap and B vector is equal to minus 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, then vector in the direction of A vector plus B vector with magnitude 9 is. Now first of all find A plus B. A plus B, 2I minus 2I, that is 0I cap, minus j plus j, that is 0j cap, and 3k cap. Now vector in the direction of A vector plus B vector with magnitude 9 is 9k cap. So answer is A option. 20th question is also same as 19th question. So solve this question for your practice. Okay students, I hope this video is helpful for you. Now you will practice more questions for practice. Thank you.